Oh, this one is easy, sir.
Yeah, this one easy, but some of you maybe don't
But
understand.
a complicated one.
Yeah. Now we are, yeah, a little bit difficult. That's why some of you might have questions on this. Let's start, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So last class we discussed till question 2, right?
Yes.
And there we discussed calibrating. The word
Yes, sir.
calibrating is not mentioned here, but the fixed points use is used for what?
Calibrating
Calibrating means,
thermo
yeah, calibrating means to
to
mark the
mark.
thermometer, to label the thermometer. If one thermometer is unmarked or
Oh
not,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
not labeled, then we can
We have
mark,
to mark with the
mark.
temperature with the calibrator.
Yeah, that process is called, the whole process is
Calibrating.
calibrating. So they who missed the class, last class, you please uh, visit Google Classroom. The video link is available of last class, right? Uh, so that you can get the idea what is called calibrating, what are the uses of fixed points, and what is called ice point and steam point. Now the last question of this assignment, that is, describe and explain how the structure of a liquid in glass thermometer affects its sensitivity, range, and linearity. To understand it clearly, I gave you some notes, right? The notes are available in Google Classroom. Last class, I showed you how to use Google Classroom. If you go through the all the posting in the Google Classroom, you go back, scroll down, then you can find out the notes on sensitivity, range, linearity, and how these things are related to structure of a liquid in glass thermometer. Now, here is the note. The note I gave you, I also have it here. I'm making it bigger. Yeah. Shimanto, hello.
Yes, sir.
Shimanto, you raise the hand. You have any question?
No, no, sir. So, भूले मुने hand raise होगी.
Okay, okay.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Now look, what is called sensitivity?
Sir, sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
the screen is stuck in like in the assignment one. It is not showing the Google Classroom.
It is available there. It is available
Oh,
in
okay, it's
Google
available
Classroom.
there.
If you
Okay.
go through, then yesterday, not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we had class. That day also I showed you where it is. Maybe
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12th April, maybe I posted it. You can,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was there. Yes, sir.
yeah. So check here sensitivity. They who did not get yet, for them I am reviewing it. Okay. Sensitivity is the property of a thermometer for which liquid thread reading on a scale increases more or less with a specific temperature change. You know that with the temperature change, the liquid level rises or go down, right?
Yes, sir.
Inside the capillary tube of thermometer, right? So
Yes, sir.
uh, if for example you are giving 5 degree Celsius temperature, right, in one
Yes, sir.
thermometer, and their liquid thread you are getting 2 centimeter, but
Yes,
for another thermometer for the same temperature rise, like 5 degree Celsius temperature rise, the liquid level may be more rising, like it can be 3 centimeter. Got my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So the one which is getting 3 centimeter liquid
is
level
more
rise,
sensitive.
it is more sensitive. So this one is related to the liquid thread riseness. The more rising in the liquid thread for the specific temperature rise, we can say the thermometer is more sensitive. Clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if it is clear, then we are going for one example. If a thermometer has a fine bore, a fine
Yes.
bore means the capillary tube is narrow.
Narrow.
Okay, fine bore
Yes, sir.
means capillary tube is narrow, or we can say it is thinner. Uh,
Hmm.
then the length of liquid thread will be more for a specific temperature rise than a thicker bore. Hence, the thermometer is more sensitive. So you are given two thermometers with the same liquid. One is with capillary narrow, very narrow, and other uh, the other person with capillary tube. Other person is Abrar. Abrar, who is Abrar? You know Abrar?
That is Abra.
So we are not accepting anyone unknown. Now, look, the capillary tube, which one has uh, narrow bore or narrow, the radius, that one will rise more, right? The liquid, the
Yeah.
liquid level will rise there more, isn't it? For example, in your house, if you are given two glasses, one is uh, with a small diameter and the other one has a bigger diameter, right?
Yes, sir.
So the bigger diameter, that one will, you can take the liquid level rise will be less, right?
Yes, sir.
And the one which one has smaller diameter, if you are pouring the same amount of liquid, that one will rise more,
More.
isn't it? Isn't it?
Mhm.
With this example, I think everyone is clear. Are you
No, sir.
clear? Which one?
Sir, I'm Himanshu.
Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
will
Can you
understand. Listen, they who are joining now, please, you see the or you watch the video, okay, so that
Video.
we can
Okay, sir.
finish, more with the same time, because already 9 minutes over. We discussed some of the things, and you will be getting on more, because the things will come again and again when we will discuss the examples again. So here we discussed two things, right? Kazi,
Yes, sir.
then Shimanto. Hello, Shimanto. Shimanto,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding? Hello,
Hello.
are you
Hello, sir.
Sir.
understanding?
Sorry,
No,
sir.
Yes.
No,
So look,
sir. You're lagging.
yeah, look.
No.
Now it's clear to you, right? What is
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
uh, what is the another thing, that is, if a thermometer with a smaller range, uh, see below what is called range. I told you here what is called range. The range is the limit. For example, one thermometer has 0 degrees Celsius and the upper range is 110 degrees Celsius. Lower range is 0 degree and upper limit is how much? 110. So what is the range here? What is the
Uh,
110, right?
yes, sir.
And
And lower
another
one, sir?
example I'm giving you, like one thermometer has lower limit 20 degrees Celsius and the upper limit is 200. Then what is the range?
200.
180.
180.
180.
Excellent.
Oh
So
no,
it is
yeah.
called
180.
range of the thermometer. Okay, it is called range of the thermometer.
Acha, sir, minus 20. Okay.
Okay, now look here. They are saying a thermometer with a smaller range is more sensitive as length of the liquid thread increases more for a specific temperature rise. To understand, see the MCQ 5 of worksheet 10 where thermometer Q is more sensitive. Now let's go to worksheet question number 5. Let's see it. Yeah, look, this one is the question we are going to discuss. I'm making it smaller so that everyone can see the whole question. Okay, look, this is the question. And here we have 4 thermometers. One is P, another Q, then R, S. Okay. And for these 4 thermometers, look, for P, the range, lower range is 0 and the upper one is 25. So here range is how much? 25. Please
So
respond.
can you tell me again, sir?
Yeah,
One more time.
for P, the lower limit is 0 degree, right?
Yeah,
And the upper limit
Yes,
is
sir.
25.
25.
So
Yes,
the
sir.
range is 25.
25. 25.
Yeah, yeah.
For the second one, the range is 10 only.
10.
So it
10.
is a
Yeah,
smaller range, right? Than
yes,
before.
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
R, the range is 250.
250.
250.
Then for S, the range is
200.
200. 200.
100.
200, right? So which one is the smallest range?
Sir, yeah,
Sir, Q,
25.
Q. Q, Q, sir.
Q,
Q. Oh, yeah, yeah. Q,
Q.
Q, Q. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Q.
because this one has only 10 degrees Celsius
10.
difference.
Yes, sir.
So this one is most sensitive, we are saying, because it has the smallest range. Why?
Range.
We will try to understand comparing with these two. Okay. For example, if for 5 degrees Celsius, we are thinking that the temperature we are giving from outside for that is uh, 5 degrees Celsius, right? How much?
5 degree.
5 degrees Celsius than before. So for this temperature, for this thermometer, the liquid level will rise this much only. You see, a smaller length, right? Hello, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So for 5-degree rise, the liquid level will rise this much only. But for Q, the liquid level will rise so big, right? You see, for 5 degrees
Yes.
Celsius, here length is
Yes, sir.
bigger. So
Sir, are you
sensitive,
screen sharing, sir? I
yes,
cannot see. It is
yes.
stuck in like
Sir,
ice point.
screen দেখা যায় না।
Ice
Yes,
point
sir.
is
দেখা
stuck
যাচ্ছে।
there.
Yes, sir. Screen is.
We
হ্যাঁ
cannot
স্যার
see the screen.
স্ক্রিন দেখা যাচ্ছে না স্যার
You can't see the screen, then you can't understand. Look, I am showing it again, no problem. Screen share. I am showing the screen without screen.
We can't see.
Yeah, now you can see.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir yes sir
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here we are in question number 5, and P we have, but some of the students they were responding that time. Maybe in the middle it was stuck, right?
Sir, I was using Chrome.
I think they
Okay,
have memorized the question.
okay, okay.
अरे
Fine,
बोलो.
fine,
अरे
fine,
मजाक करते हैं.
fine. Look,
Memorize.
look here. We have the smallest range here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in this range, what I was saying that for P, five
It is
five
0 degree.
yeah 5 degrees Celsius. If it is rising, then the length of the liquid level rises this much. Clear?
Yes, sir. On 5. Yes, sir.
Understand now? Now for this one, if
Yes.
for 5 degrees Celsius rise, the temperature rise will be this much. Okay?
Oh,
The liquid level will
yes, sir.
rise this much. So
5.
So
now,
for 5 degrees Celsius.
yeah, for each of
5.
the 5 degrees
Sir,
Celsius,
th-
look, here the liquid
yes,
Yes.
sir.
level
30 to
rising,
35, 5.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
this level rising is very big, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
why it is according to the definition of sensitivity, this length is increasing most with the temperature rise. That's why this thermometer is most sensitive, right?
Sir, C
G,
sir, I think.
No,
G, sir. 5,
Q.
5.
We are saying this is Q, right? Most sensitive. Now we will check. The answer is C or D. That one is later.
Sir, C
Check.
sir.
Yeah,
C sir, C.
yeah. So
C, C.
greatest sensitivity is Q,
C,
and
C.
greatest range is
C.
R.
greatest
R.
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 Yeah, because here range is for R 250,
50,
uh,
50. Yes, sir.
and
And
for
for it
S it
200.
is 200. So the range is biggest here in R.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? So range is
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
clear, sensitivity is clear, and the relation of
G,
range and
sir.
sensitivity. Okay.
G, sir.
Now let's again go to that note. We have this one. We were talking about this one again from again. So this one is done. An example is
Sir, again stuck, sir.
Yes sir, again
again.
stuck sir.
Okay, let's see. We are sharing again. Maybe from Word to PDF when we are going, then it is stuck. Maybe,
Yes sir, I think so.
Maybe your Wi-Fi problem.
maybe that one is the reason. And here we have the last one. Finally, larger bulb contains more volume of a liquid.
Lag right now.
So
I started problem.
larger bulb contains more volume of a liquid. Everyone, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes sir,
Yes,
yes sir.
Which makes the thermometer more sensitive. That means if the thermometer has a larger bulb, it will be more sensitive. That means liquid level will rise more for that one.
more.
Why?
Sir, can you
Why?
give an example?
Yeah, why it will be more? I am giving you
Sir,
example.
sir, sir,
Now
can I?
you will ask me, you ask me, then you will get the answer. But now I am asking you some questions. That one you will respond.
Sir,
Okay.
because of the larger bulb.
Yeah, I'm saying you the question, that is, if there is a larger bulb, there is more amount of liquid, right? Am I right?
G, sir.
Okay. If there is more amount of liquid, then from the surroundings, the thermometer is taking the heat energy from surroundings, right?
G, sir.
Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
From
Yes.
from the surroundings,
Oh.
when the amount of liquid is more, then it can take more energy, right?
Yes sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
has more capacity to take energy. So the larger bulb, it has more capacity to expand the liquid, isn't it?
Yes sir.
G,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A
So if
smaller
it,
one have the
yeah,
level.
it's smaller bulb, it has less liquid, so some heat it
Yes, sir.
will take and some will be lost, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the liquid expand will be less.
Less.
So if the liquid is expanding more, then it can rise more in the
Yes
capillary
sir.
tube, then it will become more sensitive. Clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here I gave the explanation. Liquid expands more for a specific temperature rise as liquid absorbs most of the heat and least loss in the surroundings. Clear? In
Yes, sir.
bigger bulk, there will be more absorbing of heat and loss will be less.
Yes.
That's why it is more sensitive. So these three factors are related to sensitivity we discussed here. And if you
Yes, sir.
understand it, then you can answer any questions in your worksheet
Yes, sir.
related to sensitivity range. Now linearity. What is called linearity? We will try to understand. This is very simple one. Linearity uh, is related to one of the ideas you already know before. What is that? That is directly proportional, you know. That is that the length of the liquid level rises with temperature rise, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if we increase 1 degree Celsius, if the liquid level rise 1 centimeter, then for 2 degrees Celsius, how much it will rise?
10.
I told for 1 degree Celsius, 1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Then for 2 degrees Celsius, how much it will be? 2,
2.
2 centimeter, right? So this is
Yes.
called linearity. For
Yes, sir.
5 degrees Celsius, it will be 5 centimeter, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is called linearity. So the liquid expansion follows this linearity, and according to this linearity, liquid level rises in the capillary tube. Clear to you now? What is called
Yes, sir.
linearity? That means
Yes, sir.
Yes,
it's
sir.
following a consequence, it's following a rule or way. Here I gave you one example, the similar example, you can understand it now. If a thermometer's liquid thread increases 2 centimeter for 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature, then liquid thread will increase 4 centimeter for 20 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
Then
Yes,
I
sir.
Yes,
said
sir.
we will use concept of linearity to solve MCQ 2, MCQ 8, and MCQ 10 of worksheet 8.
তাড়াতাড়ি যা
Clear now, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now let's do uh, that question. The
Get
one,
dinner.
the one you had doubts. The other two are easier. The difficult one I will discuss now. I told you
Yes, sir.
that I gave one diagram in the messenger group regarding this question.
yes sir
Question number 10. Okay. Now look how this question is working. Now you can see the screen. If you don't see,
No, sir. Stuck,
No,
stuck.
sir. No, sir.
okay,
Stuck,
it
stuck,
is the
again
reason
stuck.
because we again changed from Word to PDF. Then you should tell me. You should tell me that you have facing problem. Look, now it is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Now look, question number 10, it's saying the length of mercury in the bore of a thermometer is 5 centimeter at 0 degrees Celsius and 11 centimeter at 60 degrees Celsius. What is the length in the bore when the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius?
Sir, I think B. I
Yeah,
think.
this is B. Correct answer is
Oh,
B. Yeah, how it is coming to be, we will explain from that diagram I sent you. Look, here is the diagram. Okay, you see, the way the question is saying that at 0 degrees Celsius, it is 5 centimeter, and at 60 degrees Celsius, it is 11 centimeter, right? Isn't it? The question is
yes, sir.
asking you like giving the information like that, and they are asking you at minus 10 degrees Celsius, how many centimeter will be it, right? So this diagram will help you to get this. Are you seeing the diagram?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
From the
Yes.
messenger I took it. You are seeing this, the diagram.
No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
They who
Yes, sir.
saying no, for them I am taking it again. No problem. No problem, my dear.
Yes, sir. Now seeing in Messenger, I'm seeing.
Yeah, no
Yes, sir.
problem. See it. I took it again. No problem. Now check. Is it coming, Jawad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's coming. It's coming.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Look.
Yes, sir. Now coming.
Look here. The question is saying here 5 centimeter for 0 degrees Celsius, and for 60 degrees Celsius it is 11 centimeter, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so the difference in temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, and the difference in length is 6, right? 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
11 minus 5, it is 11
6.
minus 5, it is 6.
Yes, sir.
So,
6.
so for 6 centimeter, we are getting 60,
Degrees.
or
Yes.
yeah, 60 degrees Celsius. And for 1 centimeter, it will be how much? 10 degrees Celsius, right? They are asking us about 4. So 4 is 1 less than 5, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So 1 centimeter less, then it is minus 10, right? They are saying in minus 10 degrees Celsius, what will be the distance, or what will be the
But it cake
reading?
करे.
4, 4, 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it is 4. So
Sir,
it
someone is drawing.
look,
Someone is.
please stop
Nice
drawing.
pictures.
Please stop drawing. Try to understand. Look, here it is 0. Then if you are going below 0, it is minus, right? Minus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
is
sir.
minus 10 degrees Celsius. As each of the centimeter, if you are going back, it's giving you 10 degree
Mine.
difference.
Yes.
10 degree difference. So it is going down. That's why it will be minus 10 degrees Celsius, right?
Minus.
I think
Yes, sir.
everyone
Yes,
it is clear now. So our answer is
Yes, sir.
4 centimeter B. This way,
Yes,
the
sir.
idea of linearity is working in the worksheet. So I think with all this information, you will be
Yes.
able to understand all the questions from your worksheet, and you'll be able to solve. Even if you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
solve, the
Yes, sir.
mark scheme is there, and following that mark scheme, you can
Answer the question.
yeah, you can understand your answer is right or wrong. Is it?
Yes, sir.
If your answer is wrong, then you will think again, you will analyze the answer, and if you don't understand, even after that, I am there to give your answer. Like today, one student asked me about one of the questions from worksheet 10, then I answered her, and she was happy with the answer. Okay, so this way, Kaji Jawad, you also asked me, Saad, you asked me. Now the
Yes,
door
sir.
is open for any one of you. Today is our last class before the Eid vacation, formal class, and our syllabus is still this topic 10. Okay, how much is done in the final term? Till topic 10 is our syllabus, so you get prepared on this all. If you have any queries, you have any doubt, the Google Classroom is there. All the information is available there. Even after
So
that,
can I call you also, sir?
yeah, of course.
Anytime.
Even after that, you don't understand, you can call me. Okay, you can text me
Oh.
through messenger. I will answer you. Okay, my students.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So everyone understood today's lecture.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sad, Shimanto,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Jabir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jawad, Shafkat,
Yes, sir.
Adnan. Adnan,
Yes, sir.
you understood everything?
Yes, sir.
If you
Hey,
have any
nerd.
question, you can ask me. Okay, you can call me. Then Jawad, Kaji Jawad,
Yes, sir.
you understood
Yes,
everything?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so much. Our time is up. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.
Allah, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.